Di mo na kailangan dumayo pa ng LU para sa smoothie bowls dahil meron na dito sa Baliwag at sila ang first detox juice and healthy meal store sa Bulacan. Tara! Yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami ay napadpad dito sa Barangay Concepcion, Baliwag, Bulacan sa tapat ng Tolentino Clinic para subukan ng Detoki. Yes, healthy drinks and healthy snack ang offer nila dito sa kanilang store. Speaking of healthy, let's start with their smoothie bowls like Berry Banana Burst Smoothie Bowl na 219 pesos. O diba mura na, masarap at healthy pa. For their healthy drinks, meron silang iba't ibang juice like Juice Cure that is more of health beneficial. Beauty Glow Juice sa pampaglow or beneficial to the skin. Fat Killer Juice sa pampaslim at pampabilis ng metabolism. And Immunity Booster for health boosters. I tried Red Dawn for Juice Cure samantalang Green Dream for Fat Killer. Kulang dahil pwede ka mamili kung juice or shake or on-to-go bottle. Meron ding available na yogurt passion fruit soda na 99 pesos na best for kids. Marami ding snacks dito like tuna tango na 129 pesos and one pan eggs luncheon meat with cheese sandwich na 149 pesos. For pika-pika, I suggest mag-par of 4 barkada meal na lang kayo na 399 pesos lang. Good for sharing na. They also have the 6 pieces chicken wings. And last is their kani salad and summer salad na obviously fresh ang vegetables sa gamit nila everyday. Open sila from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. everyday kung pupunta kayo. So, painintay nyo kung healthy drinks at healthy snacks ang hanap nyo, dito na kayo sa Detoki sa Baliwag, Bulacan. Let's go!